will teach you how to log in to your child's DreamBox math account with Howard County Public School System. First, go into your App Store and download DreamBox Learning Math. That's the D in the upper left-hand corner. Press Get or Download once you have it. You don't need to open it just yet. Just add it to your home screen. There's mine. Next, open up your web browser and go to hcpss.me. After you've done that, you'll scroll down to Clever, More Apps. Press that button. I've already pressed that button, and here you'll log in using your child's username and password. If you don't have this information, contact your child's teacher and they can give it to you. After you input that information, press Login. It'll take you to your child's portal. Here's where there are many apps and links that they can use. Press D for DreamBox. And D again for DreamBox. Press Open.
It's great to have you back in the DreamBox neighborhood. Have fun on your learning adventures.
Here is your child's individualized DreamBox app. Now I'm going to close the app for now and show you what to do next. Next, you're going to go back to your web browser, X out this, and go back to their portal on Clever. Click on their name in the upper right-hand corner and press Log Out. This is the page we're looking for. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a square with an arrow. Press that button and click Add to Home Screen. And click Add. Here it is. I'm going to click it and move it back to my home page. What your child can do next is pretty incredible. Press the Clever Login button. Not that incredible, just average incredible, I guess. And there's a QR code button that your child can press. Allow access for the camera, and you'll need to get your child's QR code ready. Again, this can be given to you by your child's teacher. Your child will show their code on the camera. And now they're logged in. Again, press D for DreamBox. D again. Open. And your child is ready to play.
It's great to have you back in the DreamBox neighborhood. Have fun on your learning adventures.
Using the QR code is pretty easy and simple and allows your child to be independent in logging on. When it's time for your child to finish playing the app, I highly recommend you close the app. The DreamBox app, I'm sorry. When your child is ready to play again at another time, they have to press the Clever Login button. By pressing the DreamBox app, it will not log your child in. Again, they'll press the QR code, show the camera their code, and they'll be able to play. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comment below or email your child's teacher. Have a great day.